In this video, I will show you how to set up your Limelite X1 advertising backpack. So as you know, your bag will come with your power bank, your 4-in-1 flash drive. This is what you'll use to connect to a computer, your iPhone, or an Android device. And you'll also receive a remote. This is what you'll use to control the screen entirely. So first, what you want to do is go ahead and get your flash drive plugged in. I've also made a separate video showing you how you can add files from your iPhone or an Android device. So after that, just go ahead and plug your power bank in as well. Your bag should automatically power on, and using the remote you can control the screen. On the remote you'll have an option for a setup. This is where you can make adjustments as it relates to adjusting the screen itself, or if you want to adjust the brightness, you want to set your screen in rotation. For the next few minutes in this video, I will be showing you how to go through a few of the setup features the bag offers. So if you don't mind just taking a look, if you should have any questions, please send me an email at support@mylimelight.com, or DM us on Instagram at mylimelight, or send us a message on the website and we'll be happy to assist you further. Thank you.